What if I told you that massaging one specific spot on your body for just 1 minute a day could help restore your potency naturally, without any pills or invasive procedures? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stick with me. Today, we're diving into safe, science-backed ways to boost your sexual health, energy, and confidence after 50. In this video, I'll reveal that exact spot, plus other proven natural methods to enhance blood flow, balance hormones, and reignite your spark. By the end, you'll have a simple plan to feel like your younger self again. Let's get started. I know what you're thinking. Another video promising miracles? I've been there with my patients. Many men over 50 come to me skeptical, frustrated, and wondering if it's all downhill from here. But let me reassure you, it's not. After years in this field, studying natural therapies and working with thousands of men, I've seen incredible turnarounds without relying on medications that come with side effects. You're not alone in this. Studies show that up to 50% of men in their 50s and beyond experience some form of erectile challenges or low energy, often due to natural aging processes like reduced circulation or hormone shifts. But the good news? It's reversible with the right habits. I've dedicated my career to natural solutions because I believe in empowering you to take control safely. Today, I'm sharing what works, based on real science and real results. To understand why these methods work, let's break down what's happening in your body as you age. Think of your sexual health like a well-tuned engine. It needs good fuel, smooth pipes, and a strong spark. For men over 50, potency often dips because of three key factors: declining testosterone levels, reduced nitric oxide production, and poorer blood circulation. Testosterone, your main male hormone, naturally decreases by about 1% per year after 40, affecting energy, libido, and performance. Nitric oxide is like the gas pedal for blood flow. It relaxes blood vessels, allowing better circulation to the areas that matter most. As we age, our bodies produce less of it, leading to what feels like a sluggish response. Imagine your arteries as garden hoses. When they're flexible and clear, water flows freely. But with age, stress, or poor diet, they can stiffen or clog, reducing that vital flow. Hormones play a role too. Lower testosterone means less drive, and nerve sensitivity can dull over time. The great part? Natural methods can support these systems. Things like targeted massage stimulate nerve endings and boost circulation, while certain herbs enhance nitric oxide and hormone balance. No magic cures here, just gentle support for your body's own mechanisms. Coming up, I'll share step-by-step solutions that target these exactly. All right, let's get to the heart of it. The practical solutions. I'll cover 7 natural methods, each backed by science, easy to try at home, and focused on restoring potency safely. We'll start with that 1-minute massage spot from the title, then build from there. Remember, these aren't overnight fixes, but with consistency, most men see noticeable improvements in energy and performance. Solution 1. The 1-minute massage spot. CV4 Acupressure Point. Gentlemen, this is the spot you've been waiting for. The CV4 point, also known as guanyuan in traditional Chinese medicine. It's located about 3 finger widths below your navel, right in the center of your lower abdomen. Massaging here for just 1 minute daily can help stimulate blood flow and energy to your reproductive area. The science? Acupressure like this activates nerve pathways and may boost nitric oxide release, improving circulation and hormone balance. Studies on acupuncture, a related practice, show positive effects on erectile function by enhancing blood flow and reducing stress on the nervous system. For older men, it's particularly helpful as it targets age-related declines in pelvic vitality. How to use it. Sit or lie down comfortably. Use your middle finger to apply firm but gentle pressure in a circular motion for 60 seconds, breathing deeply. Do this once in the morning and once before bed if possible. What to expect. Many men report better morning energy and improved firmness within a week or two, with fuller benefits in 4 to 6 weeks. Safety tip. If you have abdominal issues or recent surgery, skip this or consult your doctor first. It's gentle, but listen to your body. That was simple, right? But this next one harnesses an ancient herb that's been a game changer for countless patients. Solution 2. Korean Red Ginseng. Let's talk about Korean Red Ginseng, a root used for centuries in Asia for vitality. It's not your average ginseng. This steamed and dried version is potent for men's health. Scientifically, it boosts nitric oxide levels, which widens blood vessels for better flow and may support testosterone production. Multiple studies, including systematic reviews, indicate it improves erectile function in men with mild to moderate issues, often without side effects. For guys over 50, it's ideal as it combats fatigue and hormonal dips. How to use? Take 600 to 1,000 milligrams daily in capsule form, split into 2 doses with meals. Look for high-quality extracts with at least 5% ginsenosides. Results. Most notice enhanced stamina and libido in 2 to 4 weeks, with peak effects around 8 weeks. Safety. Generally safe, but if you're on blood thinners or diabetes meds, check with your doctor. It can affect blood sugar. If ginseng intrigues you, wait until you hear about this amino acid that works like nature's vasodilator. Solution 3. L-Arginine supplementation. L-Arginine is an amino acid your body uses to produce nitric oxide, the key to strong blood flow. The evidence? Research shows it can improve erectile scores by enhancing vessel relaxation, especially when combined with other nutrients. It's particularly effective for age-related vascular issues in older men. Usage. Start with 1,000 to 2,000 milligrams per day, taken on an empty stomach. Pair it with food if it upsets your gut. Expect better circulation and performance in 3 to 6 weeks for many. Safety. Avoid if you have herpes, as it might trigger outbreaks. Consult if on blood pressure meds. You've got circulation covered. Now let's address hormones with this stress-busting herb. Solution 4. Ashwagandha root extract. Ashwagandha, an adaptogen from Ayurvedic medicine, helps your body handle stress while supporting testosterone. Studies demonstrate it can increase testosterone by up to 15% in men, improving strength, energy, and sexual function. Great for over 50s dealing with cortisol spikes that tank hormones. How? 300 to 600 milligrams of standardized extract daily with breakfast. Results: enhanced mood, energy, and potency in 4 to 8 weeks. Safety: safe for most, but skip if you have thyroid issues without guidance. If minerals are your missing link, this next one is essential. Solution 5. Zinc supplementation. Zinc is crucial for testosterone synthesis and sperm health. Many older men are deficient due to diet or absorption issues. Evidence: supplementing zinc boosts T levels in deficient individuals, supporting overall male function. Use 15 to 30 milligrams daily with food. Get tested first if possible. Expect improved energy and libido in 2 to 4 weeks if low. Safety. Don't exceed 40 milligrams daily to avoid copper imbalance. For something active, this exercise targets the core of potency. Solution 6. Pelvic floor exercises, Kegels. Kegels strengthen the muscles that support erection and control. Science? They improve blood retention and nerve response, with studies showing better erectile function in older men. How? Contract as if stopping urine flow. Hold 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 20 times, 3 times daily. Results: firmer responses in 4 to 12 weeks. Safety: gentle and safe for all. Finally, a simple dietary tweak that amplifies everything. Solution 7. Nitric oxide-boosting foods. Incorporate foods like beets, leafy greens, and nuts to naturally raise nitric oxide. Backed by diets rich in these enhance vascular health and testosterone support. Use: add a beet salad or spinach smoothie daily. Expect gradual energy boost over weeks. Safety: natural and beneficial. Whew, that's a lot of value. Now, how to tie it all together? Now that you have the tools, let's create a simple daily routine to maximize synergy. When you combine these, they don't just add up, they multiply. For example, the acupressure stimulates flow, ginseng and L-Arginine enhance it, while ashwagandha and zinc balance hormones underneath. Your morning routine, 10 to 15 minutes. 1. Start with the 1-minute CV4 massage while still in bed. Breathe deeply to set a positive tone. 2. Take your supplements: 300 milligrams ashwagandha, 1,000 milligrams L-Arginine, 15 milligrams zinc, and 300 milligrams Korean Red Ginseng with breakfast. 3rd, eat nitric oxide boosters, a smoothie with spinach, beets, and nuts. 4. Do 10 Kegels while brushing your teeth. Evening routine, 10 minutes. 1. Another 1-minute CV4 massage before dinner. Second dose of ginseng and L-Arginine if splitting. 3. 10 to 20 more Kegels during TV time. 4th, wind down with stress reduction, maybe light stretching. Weekly, aim for consistency, but take 1 day off supplements if needed. Track in a journal, note energy, mood, and any intimacy improvements. Remember, don't chase overnight miracles. Build these habits daily, and your body will respond naturally. Patience is key. Most see shifts in 2 to 4 weeks, full benefits in 1 to 2 months. To amplify these solutions, let's broaden to overall lifestyle, because sexual health mirrors your whole body's wellness. Diet. Focus on healthy fats from avocados and fish for hormone production, zinc-rich oysters or pumpkin seeds, magnesium in dark chocolate or almonds for relaxation, and leafy greens for circulation. Exercise. Light activity like 30-minute walks or yoga boosts testosterone and blood flow. Add HIIT twice a week for extra hormone support. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Poor sleep tanks testosterone by up to 15%. Stress. Practice deep breathing or meditation. High cortisol sabotages potency. Hydration. Drink 8 to 10 glasses daily to keep blood flowing smoothly. Tie it in. These habits supercharge the core solutions, turning good results into great ones. I get these questions all the time, so let's address them. Can I use these if I'm on blood pressure meds? Yes, but start low and consult your doctor. Things like ginseng or L-Arginine can interact. How long before results? Varies, but 2 to 6 weeks for initial changes, 1 to 3 months for optimal. Can I combine more than one? Absolutely. That's the protocol. Just monitor how you feel. Are there side effects? Minimal with natural methods, but stop if you notice anything odd. Disclaimer: this isn't medical advice. These support natural health, not treat diseases. Always check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have conditions or take meds. Safe experimentation starts with knowledge. Let's recap the essentials. We covered the science of aging and potency, then 7 solutions, from the CV4 massage to ginseng, L-Arginine, Ashwagandha, Zinc, Kegels, and no foods. The daily routine combines them for synergy, plus lifestyle tips for lasting vitality. Your action plan. Step 1. Pick 1 or 2 solutions to start, maybe the massage and ginseng. Step 2. Commit to 30 days of consistency. Step 3. Journal daily, track energy, mood, and progress. Be patient. Real change builds over time. You've got this. Gentlemen, you're not broken. You're just out of balance, and balance can be restored. I've seen men in their 60s and 70s rediscover confidence, energy, and intimacy through these natural steps. It starts with believing it's possible, then taking that first action. You deserve to feel vital again. If this resonated, subscribe for more men's health tips. Hit like if you're trying the massage spot, and share this with a friend who could use the hope. Comment below, what's your first step? Thanks for watching, take care, and here's to your health.